Hi YouTube, Roy Marko with Marko Custom Build Models coming to you with an unboxing of this Revell 41 Willys. It's all sealed. I've never been in this box. It does come with a, looks like a 426 Hemi in here. Yeah, other than that, we'll have to get inside the box and see what it all comes with. I'm kind of excited. I've never had this kit before. I just kind of picked it up at the last model meeting there. The old Willys that Revell had is nothing like this one, so I'll have to do an unboxing on that one another day. It's an all new tooling compared to the old one. I think this one says it was released about 2006. Let's open it up, see what we got. There's the box there. First bag has body and the tires in there, so let's wrap that open. First up we have the body here. These this is probably my favorite looking Willys. That they make great looking gassers. You never see these things original. They're always turned into a race car. So there is somebody somewhere along the line, I remember seeing somebody turning one of these back into an original Willys, which was kind of neat. So the hood it does come off. It snaps on here. It's two little clips, so if you want to have it on the model, it's there, but you can take it off to show the engine. Kind of nice, it doesn't fall off. The only thing is there's nothing to hold it up to keep it open, and you do get these two little notches here, which I notice. Other than that, it seems to be pretty clean. Not a lot of little bit of cleanup to do on the body, but other than that, it's pretty decent. It's got the enlarged rear wheel wells for the big slicks. So, and then we look at the hood, and the hood has the hole in it for the blower, so it's all set up to be a race car. In the box, we also get a flat piece of flexible plastic, so that's kind of nice if you want to cut some windows, but it looks like it also comes with some molded windows. In this bag, there's the windshield. I'm going to try this. In this bag we have a windshield here, a rear window, and a couple of headlights. If you flip that over, it's not much to see. It's clear, but there's that tree. In that body bag there was the tires. So here we have, it says Race Master on the side here, and they're a nice, little bit bigger, wider slick. Nice meaty looking tire. Of course you get a set of those. For front tires, you get nice little tread pattern on them there. They're a fairly narrow tire, so they look good on the front of the gasser there. Oh, look at this inside. You also get a photo etch grill. Look at that. That's beautiful. I wasn't expecting that. That's really nice. Looks like the red taillights, just small little dots basically for the rear. Here we have the floor pan inside. It's all smooth, smooth texture, so if you wanted to add something you could. It's got that transmission tunnel in there. It looks like place for one seat. Here we have the door panels. Very simple, plain, but nice detail on there. You can two-tone them if you like. There's the racing seat here with some sort of like a tuck and roll detail, and then a steering wheel that's completely molded open, which is nice with all the holes in it. We've got a dashboard here, very simple, just the gauges, and then looks like a rear wall here for the back there behind the seat. So there's the one side of the tree there, and that's the bottom side. And we have that 426 Hemi. Looks like some form of big automatic behind it, so not a manual transmission. There's the cylinder heads. We've got oil pan and a parachute, water pump timing cover detail. We got the drive shaft and a couple of fuel filters, distributor, coil. Not sure what that is. One of the pieces for something there. Got like another maybe oil filter, some sort of setup there. We got radiator hoses there. So there's the tree, the engine on it basically, the main bones of it. This tree here we have the chassis, some half springs for the rear, these ladder bar rear suspension, and of course front leaf springs, and this differential housing and a straight axle front end. Got some shock detail here and a radiator. Nice detail on the radiator. This is a really nice kit. Got the front pumpkin here, probably a Ford 9-inch. Roll bar and some more shock detail and some steering gear. There's that side of the tree there, and let's flip that over. Alright, here's one of two chrome trees. This one has the front and rear wheels in it. There's the front ones here, and then you got the rear wheel detail there. 5 slots, 5 holes, and there's the wheel backs, and they're also molded open. We have a shifter here, and would be for an automatic. This is looks like carburation. This is your transmission, automatic transmission pan, and one of those moon tanks for the front, and a set of fender well headers. So there's the one side of the tree, and then the other. This is neat. I've never seen a scoop molded like this before. This is sort of all one piece. It's molded open here on the end, so you don't have that seam down the side, but there are a couple of attachment points. If it were me, I would dechrome this and spray it in aluminum, so it's not that big a deal, but what a nice piece. You have 4-wheel disc brakes on this build. Have some headlight buckets and a grill and a blower assembly and an intake manifold. This looks like some sort of rear bumper setup in the back. Then we have the Hemi valve covers here. Nice detail on that. Revell has a very nice Hemi detail in all their Hemi cars, I have to say, especially the newer releases. Got some outside door handles, that big foot-shaped gas pedal, iconic, and then here's your blower belt and a couple of pieces there. So that's the other chrome tree, and then that's the back side. So that's it for all the plastic in the model. Let's see what we got for water slides and instructions. So here we go. There's the water slides. This gold lettering is just beautiful looking on a black background, I have to say. It looks really hot. I would probably just build it almost out of the box this way. I think what would be good about it is it'd be great build for like that 24-hour build. You could just spray it in a semi-gloss black. It would dry quick, and then put on all this gold script. I think it would look fantastic. But Stonewoods cookie, here we go. So very nice. Got like Autolite spark plugs and Valvoline oil, and just all through the list. Really neat. Autolite though is for Ford, so that's kind of interesting. Dodge is usually known to run Champions. Got an NHRA sticker here, so yeah, very nice. There's a great decals there. And last but not least, here's the instruction manual. It's got a few pages to it. Very easy to understand. Not a lot, not too busy, and everything's well labeled there. Okay, interior, and then the chassis detail, build up really nice, and then your wheels, engine going in, and then sort of a body assembly, final detail, and then some last little bits, and then of course some good illustration on the decal placement and decal placement. Okay, so there you go. Recommended this kit. I think this is great. It's the first time I've seen one out of the box and complete, so this is great. I recommend it. If you see one of these kits, yeah, do pick it up. It's a great body. Looks like a fun build. Looks like things will fit together nice. If you like these videos, please subscribe, hit that like button, ring that bell for notifications. Please share and comment, as I love reading the comments. Have yourself a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.